So hello everyone, I am Purnima and today we are going to attempt certain MCQs. So if you have not seen my previous videos, you can go and see it and then please come and again attempt here. Because these questions are somewhat similar to your questions that are asked in UPSC Prelims. And these questions I have made for you all. So I would like you all to attempt it and please answer it in the comment box. I will see how sincerely you have seen all those videos. So let's start. The first question is, consider the following statement about the physiography of India. So the first statement is, the south consists of series of mountain ranges, rugged topography, valleys and gorges. The second statement is, northern Indian plain extends from north to south and few portion of northern plain also extend to the western side of the country. So this is the question number 1. Please attempt it and comment in the box. The second question here is, consider the following statement about the geography of Ukraine. So the first statement is Ukraine is surrounded by members of European Union except Russia. The second statement is, it is surrounded by Azov Sea in the west and the Black Sea in the south. The third statement is, Southern Bug, which is the second largest river of Ukraine, drains in Azov Sea. So this is the second question, please attempt it. The third question here is, consider the following pairs river flows into. तो पहला क्या है? This is Mekong, Andaman Sea, Dnieper, Azov Sea, Narmada, Arabian Sea, and fourth that is Southern Berg in the Black Sea. तो देख लो आप लोग कि कौन किस में drain होती है नहीं होती है. I have told you. So attempt this question. The other question here is, consider the following statement with respect to Great Himalayas. So the Karakoram is the highest peak which is located in India. Mount Everest is the highest peak of entire Himalayan range. Third is your Kanchenjunga is the highest peak located in India. So attempt it. Next question here is, arrange the ranges of Trans-Himalayas from south to north. काराकोरम है, जस्कर है, लद्दाख है. ऑप्शंस देखिए आप लोग यहाँ पे और अटेम्प्ट कीजिए. The other question here is, Chos are associated with, number 1 is Middle Himalayas, 2 is Inner Himalayas, 3 is Outer Himalayas and 4th is Eastern Himalayas. So please, if you have not seen my videos, please go there and see it. You will be able to understand all those concepts which I have cleared it. नहीं देखा है तो प्लीज जाकर देखिए और उसके बाद वापस आइए and then attempt it. It will help you. Okay. The seventh question here is, Karewas are associated with Outer Himalayas, Lesser Himalayas, Inner Himalayas and the none. Question number 8 is, consider the following statement with respect to Arunachal Himalayas. So the first statement here is, Dafla, Middie, Mishmi, Abor hills are part of Middle Himalayas and these are also tribal community which practice Jhuming. The second statement here says that Shivaliks are part of Arunachal Himalayas. Okay. And the last question of the day is, consider these names and select appropriate options. So Dafla, Middie, Abor, these are what? Tribal community, hills, mountain ranges. तो आपको ये सारे क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट करने हैं और कमेंट में मुझे बताइए कि आपने क्या कैसे पढ़ा है और कितने सिंसियरली इन सारी वीडियोस को देखा है. आई विल बी डेफिनेटली सीइंग योर कमेंट्स. ओके. सो फॉर नाउ दिस इज द ओनली थिंग विच आई विल डिस्कस टुडे. नेक्स्ट में विल स्टार्ट विद अनदर कॉन्सेप्ट, बट फॉर नाउ यू हैव टू रिवाइज ऑल द थिंग्स विच यू हैव लर्न फ्रॉम द वीडियोज. उसके बाद ही आप नई वीडियो स्टार्ट करेंगे एंड देन विल टेक अनदर टेस्ट. ओके. So take care, bye-bye.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Civils Daily.